Join me as I take on the challenge of immersing myself in 5 hours of fiery volcanic landscapes to see if it really melts away my anxiety. Welcome to our journey through 5 hours of stunning volcanic landscapes, designed to melt your anxiety and transport you to serene environments. In today's fast-paced world, anxiety and stress have become common challenges, and finding effective ways to relax is essential. We're constantly bombarded with notifications, deadlines, and responsibilities that can leave us feeling overwhelmed. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, but it's crucial that we take a step back and prioritize our mental well-being. One effective way to do this is by immersing ourselves in calming environments, and what's more calming than the majestic beauty of volcanic landscapes? The slow flow of molten lava, the vibrant colors of the rocks, and the tranquility of the surrounding atmosphere all combined create a sense of serenity that's hard to find in our daily lives. By taking a few moments to breathe in the beauty of nature, we can quiet our minds and recharge our batteries. So, let's take a journey together into the heart of these fiery landscapes and see if they really can melt away our anxiety. As we delve into these volcanic vistas, you'll witness the raw power of nature, the vibrant colors, and the tranquil beauty that can soothe your mind. We'll explore the majestic mountains, the flowing rivers of lava, and the eerie landscapes that seem almost otherworldly. With each new scene, I want you to take a deep breath in and out, letting go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Allow yourself to become fully immersed in the sights and sounds of nature, and let your worries slowly drift away. We'll take our time, and I'll guide you through each scene, pausing whenever we need to take a moment to appreciate the beauty before us. So, sit back, relax, and let the calming effects of these volcanic landscapes wash over you. We'll start with the majestic mountains, their peaks towering above us like giants. The snow-capped peaks glisten in the sunlight, and the slopes are covered in a thick layer of greenery, a testament to the power of nature to thrive in even the most inhospitable environments. As we make our way down the mountain, we'll come across the flowing rivers of lava, their molten cores pulsing with an inner fire. The sound of the lava flowing is like music to our ears, a constant reminder of the raw power that lies just beneath the surface of our planet. And then, of course, there are the eerie landscapes, the twisted rock formations that seem to defy gravity and logic. These are the landscapes that inspire our imagination, that make us wonder about the secrets that lie beneath the surface of our planet. Experience the breathtaking moment when molten lava meets the ocean, creating a spectacular display that symbolizes both destruction and renewal. This is the moment when the raw power of nature is on full display, when the lava flows into the sea, creating a plume of steam that rises high into the air. The sound of the lava crashing against the waves is like thunder, a reminder of the ancient power that lies at the heart of our planet. As we watch this display, I want you to remember that just like the ocean, our minds are capable of absorbing and calming even the most turbulent of emotions. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine any anxiety or stress leaving your body, flowing out to sea like the lava. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this display, to acknowledge the power of nature to transform and renew. As we watch the lava flowing into the ocean, let's reflect on the destructive power of nature, but also on its ability to create something new and beautiful. The lava may destroy the landscape, but it also creates new land, new habitats for wildlife to thrive in. This is a powerful reminder that even in the midst of chaos, there is always the potential for growth and renewal. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this display, to acknowledge the power of nature to transform and renew. As we continue on this journey, I want you to remember that even in the most turbulent of times, there is always hope for renewal and transformation. In this next scene, we'll explore the vibrant colors of the rocks, the twisted formations that seem almost otherworldly. These are the landscapes that inspire our imagination, that make us wonder about the secrets that lie beneath the surface of our planet. As we explore these landscapes, I want you to remember that just like the rocks, our minds are capable of transforming and renewing, of finding new beauty in the midst of chaos. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine any anxiety or stress leaving your body, flowing out into the rocks like the lava. In summary, these volcanic landscapes not only fascinate but also provide a calming effect, encouraging you to take a moment for yourself. They remind us of the power of nature to transform and renew, and they inspire us to find new beauty in the midst of chaos. If you enjoyed this experience, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and check out our other videos for more relaxing content.
Infinityedge, expanding your universe, one video at a time. Subscribe now, and let's explore the stars together.